red button still blinking?
Yes.
Okay. You ready?
Right here.
Don't touch anything. It's not a picture. I'm about to talk to the camera. It's a video. Okay. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole Charnel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. And if you're old subby, hey girl, how you doing? So we're doing another declutter video today. We're going to do something a little bit different. It's actually going to be over the course of a month. It's going to be 30 days. And the goal is to declutter my whole house. So me and my friend Tanika, you can check out her channel, I'll link it below. We kind of created this list. Is it tilting downward? Like, no. Where's my head? You got my
in the middle.
In
it's in the middle, yeah.
Okay, good. We curated this list of things that we wanted to do, things we wanted to declutter, going throughout our house, starting with our bedroom, then bathrooms, kids' rooms, kitchen, living room, all the spaces in the house. And we wanted to just make our homes more sleek and more livable. So we're just doing a 30-day declutter. We're going to call it Jumpstart to a Minimalist Home. And it's just a 30-day challenge, basically. So this is day one. And the first day is decluttering shoes. I think it's shoes, skirts, and dresses. Yes, shoes, skirts, and dresses. So I'm going to take you to my closet once again. You're going to see it kind of looks the same from when it looked when I first did my closet declutter, and that's kind of why I need to declutter it again, because some of the stuff I literally haven't touched. So I'm probably going to get rid of those items that I haven't touched and declutter all the stuff that's still in there. So this is just the first video in this series. I'm going to try and video at least twice a week and make sure I get every day that I can get. But stick with me through this journey. If you enjoy decluttering, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Check out more of my decluttering videos.